Hey everyone, so no introduction, we're going to hop right into this workout. What a terrible joke. Hop into this workout. So we're going to begin with the regular 2-foot hop for about 30 seconds. There are 5 moves in this beginner level jump rope workout, and I perform 2 sets of the circuit for a total of just over 10 minutes. So I'm beginning with the regular 2-foot hop. We will take a short rest in about 4 seconds. An active rest. So I'm just walking around now. You can use this time to slow down your breathing, just relax and prepare for the next set, where we will be performing the side straddle, which is where you separate your legs and then bring them back together. So this is the side straddle. This move looks a lot easier than it is to perform. I have a tutorial video on my channel for this move. When you're doing it, you don't need to separate your legs too much, especially when you're learning the move. So we have a break coming up in a few seconds. So again, I'm taking an active rest. I'm not just staying in the same place. I'm just walking around, shaking out my legs a little bit, looking around, enjoying the sights in the distance, and also just checking out what's on the ground. Getting ready for the next set, where we will be performing the scissor step, which you will see from a front view and then from a side view. So each of these sets are about 30 to 40 seconds long. And if you make a mistake, that's all right. Just start again. Just relax and begin again. So this is the scissor step, where one foot is going forward. We're taking a break in just a second. One foot is going forward, one foot is going backwards before meeting again in the middle. So again, an active rest, just walking around, shaking up the legs. The next move we will be performing is the bell hop, where you jump from side to side with your 2 feet together, almost like a downhill mogul skier. This is the skier jump, going from side to side with the 2 feet together. And notice when I'm performing all these jump rope moves that I'm jumping low off the ground. When you first start jumping rope, you will probably jump a lot higher than necessary. And over time, with practice, you'll find yourself jumping lower and lower off the ground. We'll be taking a rest in just a few seconds. So again, an active rest. When I jump rope, I tend to walk around during my rests, and if I make a mistake, if the rope gets caught in my legs or my feet, I tend just to walk it off, walk around a little bit, slow down my breathing, enjoy what's around me, the views, the sounds, and then start jumping rope again. So the next move we are going to do is the bell hop, jumping forwards and backwards with your 2 feet together. So the moves that you're seeing here in this video, I do have tutorial videos on them under the beginner jump rope playlist on my channel, how to become a better jump roper. So we're going forwards and backwards. This is the bell hop. Okay, we have about 10 more seconds of bell hops. You can do it. Again, if you make mistakes, don't worry. Start again. Rest is coming up right now. So that is one set of this beginner level workout. If you're new to jumping rope, that might be sufficient time for you. And then you could do something similar another day. Maybe take a rest for a day or two, and then you could do the same workout. If you've been jumping rope for a while, you can do another set with me, which is what I'm going to be doing right now, beginning again with the 2-foot hop. So when you're new to jumping rope, a few minutes during each session could be enough. You want to give your body time to adjust, to acclimatize to the activity. Sometimes we have a tendency to do too much too soon, and that can result in injury. So give your body time to adjust. We'll be taking a rest in just a few seconds. So if you're new to jumping rope, even jumping rope for 20 seconds straight could be difficult. Not only cardiovascularly speaking, but just having the skill to be able to perform the moves without making mistakes for 20 seconds. That can be quite challenging when you first start jumping rope. I know that all too well. Even doing a few hops in a row was a struggle. So we're going to continue now with the side straddle again. Trying to jump low off the ground. So when you jump rope and you use good technique, it's a very low impact activity. I'm not putting too much strain or tension on my bones or my joints or my muscles with these moves. Of course, there will be some force and strain on the muscles. We want to engage our muscles to give them a workout, but we're not placing a lot of tension, a lot of force on our joints, on our bodies, if we're not jumping high off the ground. With more advanced jump rope moves which require jumping higher off the ground, you will be landing with a little bit more force, which will put a little bit more strain on your body. So we're going to do the scissor jump again. This is another move that looks a lot easier than it is to perform. Bring one foot forward while the other foot goes back, and then the 2 feet meet again in the center underneath your body. This is the scissor step. We'll be taking a rest in 4 seconds. You got this. So an active rest again, walking around, trying to relax, enjoy being outside, enjoying the sunshine here. If you're able to jump rope outside, fantastic, especially if it's sunny. You can get some vitamin D. Just be smart while you're in the sun. Don't expose your skin for unnecessary lengths of time if you're not used to it. Stretching out my quads there, my hamstrings with touching the ground. We have the bell or the skier jump coming up again, going from side to side with my 2 feet together. Beautiful blue sky on this day. Cold temperature, but beautiful sunshine. Clear blue skies. Great to get outside and jump rope. So we're doing the skier jump. We'll be taking a rest in 4 seconds. Fantastic. Active recovery now, walking around. So when we're jumping rope, we're often going up and down. The motion is up and down. Well, when we're walking, it's a different movement pattern. So it's nice to incorporate some different forms of movement in the same workout. Okay, we got our last jump rope move coming up here, which is the bell hop, going forwards and backwards with our 2 feet together. So about 20 more seconds and this beginner level workout will be complete. And then I throw in one more exercise at the end just to finish off, just to give you an idea of something else which you could do in your jump rope sessions involving the regular 2 foot hop. Okay, break is coming up right now. I'm just finishing off the workout with, again, a little bit of a walk, and I'm going to add in a bonus jump rope move or exercise at the end involving the 2 foot hop. So I will be performing the regular 2 foot hop, but I won't be doing it looking just at the camera. I will be doing it while I move around in a circle. This is fun and it's also really good for coordination because your body is moving around. You will have to make small adjustments with your body weight and also your technique, your spinning technique. When you move around and spin the rope at the same time, it's a lot easier to get the rope caught or twisted in your legs. So while this may look easy, it's a lot more challenging than it looks. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this beginner level workout. Thank you for joining me. This is how I began my jump rope session today.